everybody. This is Imhotep Ramses II, also known as Omar Lyons. I hope you're having a good day. So again, this is our series entitled GED. And there's my assistant, Jay Brian, helping us out. Great. So this video is, again, a part of our series entitled GED and ASVAB Mathematics. And today we're going to be talking about percentage, and we're going to solve a couple of percentage problems. So percentage is simply over 100, okay? So the first problem is 18 is what percent of 72? 18 is what percent of 72? Okay, so if you get a question like this, 18 is what percent of 72, it's asking you, if you get 18 out of 72, what percentage does that represent? For example, if you took a test or something, and there were 72 questions and you had 18 correct, which I would hope you get more than that correct, what percentage did you get correct? Okay, so if you get a question like this, you'd simply set it out in this way. 18 out of 72 is what percent? And in order to get the percentage, you're going to multiply it times 100, or multiply by 100. And we put it over 1 to make sure the 100 stays at the top and doesn't get mixed up and go down to the bottom, because if you do that, you're going to get a different answer. It's probably not going to be correct. Okay, so right here, what I highly recommend that you do, since we do have this multiplication sign here, is to go ahead and reduce as early as possible. So again, once you reduce, the numbers become smaller, more manageable, and you should be able to arrive at the answer faster. Okay, so let's see. 18 and 72. Well, can 18 go into 72? Well, we might not be so sure. So if we're not sure, we can go ahead and reduce, try to find something that we can divide into 18 as well as 72 without leaving a remainder. When in doubt, try 2 or 3, smaller numbers. It might take you a little more time, but it's a good process. It's a good method. All right, so just by looking at this, I can tell that 6 is going to be able to go into 18, and 6 should be able to go into 72, because I'm looking at it and I'm analyzing it while I'm looking at it, and I'm saying 6 into 72, well, 6 times 12 is 72, because I know my timetables, right? So for those of you who don't know your timetables, study, 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 very important. All right, so 6 into 18 goes 3 times, and 6 into 72 goes 12 times, but wait, there's more. We can go ahead and keep reducing. Always reduce till you cannot reduce anymore, okay? So now we have 3 over 12. So what can go into 3 and what can go into 12 without leaving a remainder? Let's try 3. What do you think? Okay? 3 into itself goes 1 time, and 3 into 12 goes 4 times. So now we have a quarter, or 1 over 4. So we're going to go ahead and reduce the 100 and the 4. Right here, we're going to cross reduce because we have this multiplication sign here, okay? So 4 into itself goes 1 time, and 4 into 100 goes 25 times. So therefore, 18 is what percent of 72? 18 is 25% of 72, and there's your answer. Thank you so much for joining us today. That's our brief example of percentage. Again, this is Imhotep Ramses II, also known as Omar Lyons. Please feel free to visit us on our Facebook page, Omar Imhotep Ramses Lyons, and the business page, facebook.com/omarlyons.org. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment, hopefully positive comments. And if you need to schedule a session, a class, a consultation, please contact us. And we're in Killeen, Texas, but wherever you are, we can make it work with you through the wonderful technology that we have, Skype and WhatsApp and so forth. Again, thank you for tuning in. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Be blessed.